Hi guys, so for today's video it's gonna be a Balikbayan box. So I am sending this package all the way to the Philippines. Hopefully it'll be there around December or early January, and I can't wait because I cannot go home this year, so I'm just doing the Balikbayan box, and hopefully one box is enough because I have so much like clothing in here, and I even have Xbox in here for like my brother. So anyway, let's just start. I have here I'm gonna send this to, well, this is my sister. So this is her matcha green tea latte. So she's been really loving matcha powder and she wants me to get more because I did sent a Balikbayan box a year or two ago. So yeah, this is the comes with in the box, and this is powder. So it has like 10 pockets in each. So I got her 3 of these matcha powder. All right, next one is Old Bay seasoning, and Old Bay, they've been loving the Old Bay seasoning because last time too I sent them some Old Bay seasoning and they said they like it. It's really big here in Maryland, so if you haven't tried Old Bay, try it because it's really good for like seafood, shrimp, and also chicken. All right, we have here the Dove. This is just the body wash. I got 2 Dove body wash here. Next one is fish oil from Nature Made. That's for my sister. And then this is for her too, collagen. I highly recommend this and I want them to try. So I actually got her 2 of these. It's in the box and I'll show it to you guys. So right there, collagen. I'm also sending her this Aztec clay mask right here. And then I have here some hairspray right there. This one smells really good. And this one is from my other sister Trisha. I'm gonna give her this belly butter from Burst Bee. I did purchase this for myself, but then I don't really like it, and I've been just using my own, like, how do you call it, the Shea moisture. So I'm just gonna give this to her instead, and hopefully she's gonna use it and like it. And then next one is this evening primrose oil from Nature's Bounty. I got her 2 of these. And also I'm gonna give this to my sister Sydney. So this is like a hair dryer. It's like brush, but like when you plug this in, you just brush your hair and it'll dry it as well. I'm gonna give this to her because I do have my Revlon 1-step blow dryer, and haven't been really using this, so I'm just gonna give this to her because might as well, you know, somebody's gonna use it. So next step is in this big box is a lot of, I would say, clothing. So let me just take them out of the box, you guys. All right, so I have a lot of Bath and Body Works in here because they were having on sale, so I went ham on like the Bath and Body Works stuff, and they actually love the Bath and Body Works, so I'm like, you know what, might as well get you guys some. So if you guys don't know, mostly if my viewers here is from United States, Balikbayan box is like a goodie box that us like people from here states that I came all the way from Philippines, we love to send a goodie box all the way from Philippines just to kind of like, you know, share my blessing, and I want to spoil my family as well. So some of these are also going for my cousins and stuff, and my friend, and also my, you know, my sisters and brother. So anyways, this is the Bath and Body Works Shea Butter body cream, and I have the raspberry tangerine right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tape them like a tape, because just want to make sure that it's not gonna burst onto the box because this is like lotion. So I'm just not gonna include that on the video because it's gonna take a long time and you guys don't want to see that. So what I normally do is like I tape them like Scotch tape, make sure that it's nice and sealed. so that's what I do. All right, next one is another, like I said, I have another extra neo cell for my sister, so I got her 2 of these and then 2 of these right there, Primrose Royal. So more lotion, because like I said, they were having sale. So this one is gonna be for my brother, I believe, brother and my sister's boyfriend, Kuya Marty. And yeah, so this is the men's collection lotion from Bath and Body Works. This smells really good. I have Midnight here. I have another peach, pretty as peach right there, and more mist. I have like a lot of them, so I got them the rose. I think I'm gonna give this to my sister Sydney because she really liked this scent. And I have the coconut palm. This one smells really good too. Yeah, this smells so fresh. And this one is champagne toast. I like the champagne toast for like the foaming hand soap. And this one smells really good. So just have to decide, because I have a list who am I giving to. All right, so I got strawberry here, and this is the In the Stars. So strawberry and In the Stars. All right, so more is another Midnight lotion, and this is the Gingham, another mist. Oh my god, this all smells good. All right, next, this is a body spray for men. I have Atlantic. I got here some, I cannot pronounce that, and then this one Ocean. All of these 3 smells really good. All right, so I have here some M&M's because they love some chocolates, and have here a bag, this Coach bag. I remember I bought this on the outlet store, so I'm gonna give this to my sister Trisha. She's gonna own this bag, and this is the one with a sling too. And I have some clothing here too, because I'm trying to like use space, and this one comes with sling. So sis, you are gonna wear this with sling or not, it's up to you, but it's all yours now. This nice Coach bag, cute. So I'm gonna give her this bodysuit because she's really small, you guys. So this bodysuit, I'm gonna give her that. I'm gonna give her this as well. Like some of my last year summer clothes. And this one, you guys, I got this from Shein. I just cannot dare to wear this. Maybe she can because she has like an amazing body, but not me. This one is a top Calvin Klein. All right, so next one here is from Ulta, because my sister as well like to love makeup, so I'm gonna spoil them with more makeup. I went to Ulta I would say two weeks ago. Why am I so white? Okay, there, can adjust the lighting. So I got them some makeup, and also my grandma loved this L'Oreal foundation, you guys. And yeah, I'm gonna give her some of this foundation. So I also got, I think I'm gonna give this to my sister Sydney, or maybe Mika. So this is from, actually I bought this from me, but then it's like a wrong shade and I don't want to like return it. I'm just like, you know what, I'm just gonna give this to them. So this is the Pretty Fresh Tinted Moisturizer. So I have to decide which one, who am I giving that to. This L'Oreal foundation, and I got them this brow from elf. So I have 3 sisters, Trisha, Mika, and Sydney. So all of them are gonna receive, we're gonna have one each of these. And then, like I said, L'Oreal foundation. Hold on. And I bought, like, because they were having sale at Ulta last time, buy one get one 50% off, I believe. So I got foundation. I also got this one. This is from Essence. This is the lash mascara. So I got the waterproof, volume, and the lash effect right there. And oh my god, I want them to try this concealer, so I got them 3 concealer as well from elf. This is the hydrating camo concealer right there. So these are gonna be, they're gonna have 1 each. And I got my sister Sydney some primer, and then I think this is, I'm gonna give this to Trisha, or yeah, I think I'm gonna give this to Trisha. This is the Maybelline lipstick, because she's been wanting some lipstick like this. And then I know they have Maybelline over there, but I don't know the price difference, so I'm gonna give this to my sister Sydney. This is the Essence matte powder, and 1 more, I think this is for my grandma. There's 2 of these. The darker one is for my grandma, and the other 2 is for my sister Mika and Sydney, because Trisha, my sister Trisha, already have the, I'm gonna give her that Tarte foundation, because she's more darker than my sister Mika and Sydney, so I'm gonna give her that. So that is for Ulta. All right, let's see what we got here. We got another bag, and I believe I'm gonna give this sling bag. I don't know if you guys remember, I wore this a couple times. This is from Coach as well. I'm gonna give this to my sister Mika, and this one has a, comes with a sling. So in Dynamic, you're gonna wear this bag. So that's gonna be her bag right there. How pretty is that? So that's that. And then, all right, so I have to undo this because, all right, so these one, you guys, I think I still have to shop actually. So I'm planning to send this box next week, Friday or Saturday, because I still have to go to Marshall's and buy my niece, no, not my niece, my nephew a clothing. So this is for my nephew Zach. It is so cute, my baby nephew, which is Zaki. And then I'm also gonna give him this little cute Nike shirt. I got this from Marshall's. And then I also got him this pair of shorts. Look how cute that is. So I need to get him more baby clothes. I know he's almost, oh, he's only 1 year old in a couple months, so I have to look for more baby boy clothes. All right, I think I'm gonna also send this this boots. I don't know if they're gonna wear this boot, but hopefully one of them will wear it. There's a pair actually, so I'm just trying to find it. Okay, so I have, okay, so what I normally do is I put like clothes that I'm gonna send on this, like I did this so they know like which one is which. This one is for Mariela, this is for my best friend from the Philippines, and I don't know, I like giving her some clothing as well. So this is gonna be for you. It has your name over there. So other one is, I don't want to rip them off, you guys, because I already put them in the plastic and I don't have plastic anymore to use. So these are just like clothing for Gigi. This is the, I'll probably like put more, like insert a picture, some of the pictures, because I took pictures and then I sent them to my brother. But yeah, this is for my brother Gigi. This is some of the clothing. And then we got one from Ate Sydney, my oldest sister. I got her some clothes as well. And this is for Mika, my sister Mika. And then these shoes, I'm gonna give this to my Kuya Marty, which is my sister's boyfriend, and yeah, it's like a family thing. So yeah, I'm gonna give this to him. This is gonna be his. It's from New Balance, and I got it Marshall. So I was on the phone with him. I let him choose because I was on the phone with my sister, and then I told him, like, ask him what size what's his size, shoe size. So we kind of like explored Marshall's, and he decided to get the New Balance. All right, I got here another chocolate, Twix chocolate, because my sister likes chocolate. So I'm gonna send it there. I'm gonna send him that chocolate. And then you guys, this one, oh god, is the butter cookies. These are real. This is like $15 or $10 at BJ's, and these are really good. So my sister was like, yeah, buy us one of those because they like it. And I love to eat this when you're having a cup of coffee in the morning. So yeah, gotta have that. All right, next one here, the lost pair of the boots. This is just some underwear from Calvin. I got this at the Marshall, so I got her 3 pairs of underwear. All right, next one is for my sister Trisha, right here, and I am giving her the Fendi bag. It's already here, and some of like, what did I put here? Oh, the Michael Kors bag as well, the brown one that I got. Giving that to her, so it's already here. The Michael Kors bag, the Fendi shoulder bag, and some other bodysuits that I haven't worn in like year. So this is for my sister Trisha. I don't know if you guys can see the Fendi print, but yeah, it's right there. Oh, that bag is heavy. All right, this is for Raven, right there. This is for my nephew as well. And then, all right, I got more chocolates. This is Hershey's Nuggets and Kisses. And then I also got them some Nutella. And then this is gonna be for my baby nephew. It's like a toy. This is for Zaki. That's your toy. That's your Lambo right there. That's the only Lambo that I can afford for now. Right there. And then more bags. So I'm gonna give this to my sister Sydney. Okay, yeah, so this is gonna be for my sister Sydney, and there's more bag inside of a big bag. So this bag, I got this long time ago, 2017, and when I went there last 2018, my sister was like, yeah, that bag is so nice, but like at the moment it's like, no, this is like kind of like my airport bag. So I didn't really give it to her because I needed the bag, but now I don't need it anymore, so I'm gonna kind of give it to her. But I haven't been using it. I literally just used this one time when I was in the Philippines and I went to the airport. So more Steve Madden bag. Oh my goodness, Steve Madden bag. I'm gonna give her this Kate Spade wallet right there. I'm gonna give this to her because I already have my Prada wallet and I don't need like a lot of wallet, if enough. I don't know, so I'm gonna give that to her. And more Kate Spade bag. So this is gonna be hers as well. Kate Spade bag. This is the bag that I also got from the outlet that looks like the Chanel. You guys, this is really cute. So they're gonna use this more than I do, so I'd rather give it to my family, especially my sisters, because I mean I can buy whatever I want and I'm just like spoiling them. More Coach bag, and this is gonna be for her as well. I bought this actually just for her, and then it comes with this like chain or like a keychain from Coach, and there's water mist. So this is what I meant for taping them. So there's like tape in there, so it's not like gonna burst. There's tape in there, and what else is here? Okay, so I'm also gonna give her this KKW perfume, and I also taped it. I don't know if this is the Chloe or Courtney. I think that's the Chloe. All right, so that's that for Coach bag. Yeah. And then I got more. Oh, this is this is Mika as well, my little sister Mika. And oh my god, this is for Mariella, my other friend again. Mariella, I got her perfume here, a bag, and some other bags. What else is here? Oh, for my Kuya Nino, I bought him like a Nike headband, and I'm also giving him some body spray. So that's that. All right, almost done. Oh, come on, come here. Okay, I got some latte frap. This is dirty chai. My sister wants to try this, so why not? Okay, it's just a shirt, random shirt from that I got from Target. I think I'm gonna give this to my sister Sydney because it's size large. And all right, the main part, this package is this Xbox. So this is the Xbox One for my brother Genesis right here, because he's been doing great at school, and I promised him, if you're doing great at school, I'm gonna reward you an Xbox. So there you go, there's your Xbox. So what I'm gonna do, because the way I put them in the package, I have to put this on the center because this is, I don't want it to break, so I gotta put this in the center and kind of like fill up the side with like the clothing, so it's kind of like it's gonna protect this Xbox. So that's what I'm gonna do. Oh gosh. So I think that's it, you guys. I have to think, what else should I give? Yeah, I think that's it, because that's it on the box. That's it. It's a big box, and I can't wait for them to receive this. And yeah, that is all for this video, you guys. I hope you like this video. I still am doing the giveaway. If you haven't joined the giveaway, please do join the giveaway if you want to win $100 US. And yeah, if you haven't joined, I will leave the video, the giveaway video, and the rules are in there in the description box as well. So yeah, like this video, share this, like and share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next one. Bye.